You could have a very nice strategy. You can come up with a very nice trading plan. You can come up with a nice technical analysis. But if you keep doing this one thing, this very one thing, you're not gonna go anywhere. All right. What's up, traders? Welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be diving into one of the biggest and most common topics in the trading industry, right? And this is practically one of the reasons why most traders blow their account. By the end of this video, you're going to learn exactly one thing you should avoid as a trader, right? So let's go into the video. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, right? So what is this mistake? What is this one mistake? Yeah, it's something you know probably. It's common. Everybody has been saying it, right? Trading without proper risk management. That is it. It sounds basic, right? But I know. Hear me out, guys. Hear me out. This is not just about where you place your stop loss. No. It's not about that, right? We're talking about how much do you risk per trade? How much is your size per position? All these are critical areas you need to make decisions, right? Now, I've seen a lot of traders, many traders, far too many traders. Sometimes they risk 10% of the account, 20%, 50% of the account. Gosh, just with one loss, your account is blown, right? So this is it. This is the common error we're going to be talking about in this video, right? Trading without proper risk management plan. All right, so don't go anywhere. I'll break it down for you more. Okay. All right, guys, why do you think people fall into this trap? Why do you think majority of the traders fall into this pit hole? All right, I want to know your thoughts. Put it up in the comment section, right? But as for me, this video, I'm going to be telling you the main reason why I think majority of the traders, beginner traders, fall into this category, right? It all boils down to a game of greed and emotions, and these are the most powerful emotions in the trading space: greed and emotions. I'm telling you this from experience, and I know majority of you traders can relate to this story, right? As a trader, one of the biggest battles you're going to face in the trading industry is how to control the thoughts that comes to your mind during executions, how to control your emotions, how to be able to spot and recognize each emotions before it triggers. You feel me? Now, I've been in situations whereby you see a trade and you say, oh, if I go big on this trade, right, I'm gonna make a lot of money, and boom, you go big on the trade, and just one bad move, your account is blown, right? So that is as a result of greed and emotions. This is why most traders keep falling into this pitfall, right? There is chances that either you're moving your stop loss, either you're doubling down, either you're trying to jump into another trade to make back your losses. That's one of the craziest, and this is where account gets blown, not because of strategy, nothing, right? But because of poor trade management and execution, right? This is why traders keep falling into these pitfalls: emotions and greed. Greed when you're winning, right? Emotions of fear when the positions is against you, all right? All this makes you deviate from your risk management plan, all right? Let's unravel the mass behind this mistake, right? Let's discuss the chemistry. Let me give you a quick example of what I'm trying to say, right? Let's say you have $1,000 account, okay, and you risk 2% per trade. That means you're risking $20 per trade. If you take 5 losses in a row, your account is still as almost fine. It's just about just being down $100, all right? You can easily make back the money. Now, take another example. You have $1,000 account and you're risking 20% per trade. That is approximately $200 per trade. With 5 trades, your account, everything is almost gone. Okay, so how do you apply proper risk management to your trading? Now sit back, relax, right? Here's a simple blueprint I prepared for you guys to use, right? Now, let's do this. Number one, set a risk per trade. Agree on a particular amount you risk per trade. Very important. Stick to 1% to 2% max of your account, right? At every given point in time, you adjust your risks according to your earnings, but for now, stick to 1% to 2% max of your account, right? Use a stop loss based on strategy, not emotions. A stop loss based on strategy is different from a stop loss you place based on emotions. I'm going to be breaking this down further, right? But that's when I will treat stop loss in my next video, right? I'll treat a full lecture about stop loss. But listen, guys, to use a stop loss based on strategy is different from using a stop loss based on emotions, right? So watch out for that, right? Place it where your setup is invalidated, not just where it feels safe. Tip number 4, right? Tip number 5, calculate position sizes accurately. Don't rush. You have to calm down and do this calculation. Treat this like a business, okay? Now, use a calculator on the app and don't guess your lot size, guys. Let the trade give you the right lot size. You do the calculations before placing your lot size. All right? Now, never chase losses. Never chase losses. Journal every trade. Revenge trade will destroy you faster than a bad strategy. Revenge trading will destroy you faster than a bad strategy. I repeat, revenge trading can destroy you faster than a bad strategy, right? So never you chase trade and journal every trade, right? Okay, log your entries, exits, and why you place the trade. You will spot bad habit faster than you think. If you can be able to journal your entries, your exits, and why you place the trade in the first place, these three can guide you to spot bad habit faster than you think, right? Okay. Now, there's a famous quote in the industry, right? That amateurs chases profit and then professionals manages risk. I can't lie to you, right? Professionals focus on risk, and that's the difference. Managing risk isn't the sexy part of trading. It's actually one of the most difficult side of trading, right? Because nobody actually comes online to brag about how he risks 1%, 2%, on a trade and all. No, but I guarantee you, right, if you can master this, if you can stay long in the game, you have time to make back your money. And this is what separates the gamblers from traders. All right, so you have to be patient. If this hits home, subscribe, like. If you want to catch up with more real talks like this on YouTube here, and not hype right here, because we'll give you everything the way it is. We break it down so easy. We don't hide anything from our community, right? So subscribe, like, and think smart. Okay, you have to be at your best all the time. The smart money, they're after your money. Okay, so think smart, think like a hunter, and don't forget, like and subscribe to this channel. Until then, see you in my next video, right? I remain your boy, the Executioner FX.